Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat yourself on Telegram mobile, or you can save message. Now let's get started. First, open your Telegram apps, and after this, in here for you chat yourself, you just click on the pen icon at the bottom. Click on it. And after this, in here you just click on this icon, this plus icon, and in here you can click on the first name or anything you want, maybe baby boo like this. And after this, in here you can add the phone number. And after you add your phone number, at the top you can click on the check icon at the top. Now and finish. Now you can save a message, or you can chatting yourself, maybe hello, like this. And you can go back, and in here you can see your save message and finish. So that's how to chat yourself on Telegram mobile. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.